Hello, hello, great people. Thank you so much for tuning in with Let's Talk with Tijuana. Today I had the opportunity of touring a fabulous ranch-style home called the Riverwood. It's built by David Weekley Homes, and it's located in the Ainsley Park subdivision in Indian Land, South Carolina. A lot of people are relocating to South Carolina and on the outskirts of Charlotte because Charlotte is so overpopulated. So I'm going to invite you into that home and I'm going to show you how cute this house was. This house is a little over 2,400 square feet. You have the option of having anywhere from 2 to 4 bedrooms. You could have 2 to 3 full baths plus a half bath. And you can also have a bonus room on the second level. It has tons and tons of storage. You can also have the option of having either 2 to 3 garages. So it's very, very cute. It is priced at anywhere from high 4s to low 5s. Yes, the prices have gone up. You have the option of, any type of incentives that they're giving. They're giving all type of incentives if you use their preferred lender, of course, just like DR Horton and the rest of them. If you use their preferred lender with David Weekley, they're giving you 1% of the loan amount plus an additional $2,000 towards closing costs. So it's a great incentive, of course, to use one of their preferred lenders, which they have 3 of them. David Weekley does have homes even outside of South Carolina. They do have some properties in North Carolina as well. So just sit tight and enjoy the tour. Please, please, please share, ask any questions. Anything that you want to know about this home or any other home, just let me know. You can hit me up through YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. You can text me, you can email me. However, whatever your option is in communicating, I'm here for you. So watch the tour. Thank you.